Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to dive right into my wash day, and I'm using the Main Choice Heavenly Halo collection. So I'm starting with the Prepoo, and I'm just going to put on the screen all the specifics from the website. This is supposed to help like detangle and soften my hair before I shampoo. I like this stuff. I like to do my own Prepoo, but this is really nice. So I'm just going to apply it to dry hair first, and then I'm gonna let it sit, and then when I get back I should be able to detangle pretty easily. So this feels really good on my hair so far. As you could see, my hair was really dry and was just craving moisture. So this is like just the first step before I go into my shampoo and stuff, because you do not want to just go in and detangle on really dry hair. So yeah, so this is the first product, and I'm just working it into sections. I like to work in sections. It just makes everything easier. So make sure you're sectioning off your natural hair, and it makes your wash day just goes much more smooth. So I have the product all in, and like I said, I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. So we are back after letting that sit. I probably had it in for about 10 minutes. As you can already see, my hair looks soft. My fingers basically can run through it. It just looks like I've already shampooed, but I haven't. So I'm just gonna rinse that out and get ready to apply my shampoo. But you can just see the length and the shine and everything showing already. Like how defined and everything does my curls look, and I have not yet shampooed my hair. Guys, so moving into the shampoo, this is a moisturizing shampoo. So it's supposed to not strip my hair of my natural oils. It's really moisturizing. This is the first ladder, and look how much I'm already getting from this. I did go in and shampoo twice just to make sure I get as much of the buildup and stuff as possible, but you can tell already how moisturizing it is. It's not stripping at all. My hair feels amazing using this shampoo. This product is definitely going into my favorites for moisturizing shampoo for sure. Like, this is top 5. So yeah, I'm just gonna shampoo twice and make sure I get everything, and then I'll rinse this out. So my hair, look how shiny and soft. I wish you guys could just feel it. It feels amazing. But we're gonna move on to deep condition. So this deep condition is also moisturizing. It's supposed to just give your hair all the hydration that you need. It's very creamy, but it's not too heavy either. So it goes into my hair pretty easily as well. There's other deep conditions out there that are way thicker, but this one was really soft. As you can see, it hasn't been sitting in my hair that long, and my fingers are already running right through it. My curls are defined. Like, yeah, this is definitely a really good deep conditioner if you're looking for moisture. So I'm just gonna keep it in sections again, work the product in, and get ready to apply some heat to my hair as well. So I like to deep condition it either with sitting under the dryer or just using my heat cap. So today I'm just going to use my heat cap with a plastic bag and let that sit for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, look at my hair. It's so soft. It's so defined. It's so moisturized, and I'm just loving it. The shrinkage is real though, but you can see the bounce and just the body and everything, and it's just, I love when my hair is wet. It just feels great when it's wet, and I can see my curls really well. So next products I'm going to use from this collection is their softening milk. I have low porosity. My low porosity love milks instead of leave-in conditioners. So this is their softening milk, and I'm just going to apply it. I did end up sectioning off a little bit, but it's pretty light. It's pretty lightweight, but it gives me exactly the amount of moisture that I need, because I don't like to use too many products because then I cause buildup. So it's pretty light, and I just make sure that I rub it in and make sure it gets absorbed into my hair really good. This collection does not come with a styler, so I went ahead and did a braid out using a different gel from a different collection from Main Choice as well. I went ahead and just did that off camera just to save time with this video since it's not part of the collection. But if you would like to see how I achieved this braid out, it's my second time actually doing a braid out, and I'm starting to like it even more now. So if you guys would like a video on a braid out and which gel and product I use for this, then leave me a comment down below and I will gladly do you guys a video for that. But so I just went ahead and did that. So the final product I'm going to be using is this oil mist that they have in the collection, and I'm just showing you how I take down my last braid from the braid out. This oil is very lightweight. It almost feels like I wasn't using anything, but it's there and the shine is there. So yeah, and these braid outs were so easy to take apart. Like, look at that. Like, how easy was that? I'm still practicing how to separate and do stuff like that, but overall the definition and the moisture and everything was just so amazing using this line of products. As you can see, I'm just trying to separate and get as much definition as I can, and then I go in and try to fluff it up to get some body as well. So yeah. I'm just going to finish it off again by spraying some of that oil mist all over just to add some extra shine. You can never have enough shine. So that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my little mini wash day using these products. This was a short one for me, but I just wanted to share. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the little clip, so I wanted to go a little bit more in depth with this video. So overall, I really enjoyed these products. I think I got all the moisture that I needed. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.